Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Performance Unlimited. Another one of our badass engines. Happens to be one of our 408 strokers. I'm telling you, these 408s are some kick-ass Ford motors. These are the Windsor strokers, 408 cubic inches. And I use Eagle rotating assemblies. I use comp hydraulic roller cams. I use the Edelbrock heads on this that I rework to specs that I would like. This one happens to have a multi-port fuel injection. It's an Edelbrock intake and fuel rails with the Holley fuel system on here and a Hypersport Holley distributor. One kick-ass motor. Each engine is custom built to order. And again, if we can help you with anything, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Enjoy. All right, Dave, I got your 67 Ford Fastback Mustang, which happens to be one of our 408 Windsor strokers with the multi-port EFI system on it. Get it fired up, do a dyno pull. I think you're going to like your results.